Right, so I'm just going to show you how I cook rice in this rice cooker. Anko rice cooker from Kmart, $15. So it's pretty much what you want to do is cook the rice with as little water as possible, but so that it's still cooked. And I'm using this basmati king's rice. This stuff's pretty easy to get right. You seem to be able to get away with a bit more water. Doesn't really tend to get too sticky or anything, too mushy. But pretty much want to play around with it with the rice that you're using, and get the right amount of water to rice ratio. So just 1 cup of rice I'm adding. And then first I'm going to wash it. So here's my spoon. This stuff too doesn't need like as much of a wash. Kinda isn't as starchy as some of the other stuff. What you do is I just add a bit of water, stir it around. And tip out the water, try not to lose any of the rice. A bit more. Bit more. Okay, so 1 cup for this basmati rice, I add about 1.5 cups of water. Try 1.25 this time, But yeah, like I said, you just got to play around with the ratio of water and stuff. And for some other rices, maybe 1 to 1. Also going to add some chicken stock cube powder, just for a bit more flavour in the rice, for something different. Roll that up. Alright, so should dissolve those chunks. Now just chuck it in the rice cooker. Right, so it's in the rice cooker, and pretty much now we just put it on. And then comes on warm, so you just push the comes on warm, so you just push this down to cook, and then it should turn off when it seems to turn off when it gets down to like no more water and stuff, but I'll keep an eye on it just in case. Yeah, it shouldn't take too long, maybe about 10 minutes or so, but yeah. So that looks about ready. I'm just going to turn it off, and yeah, probably could have put a bit more water in. Yeah, that's pretty much it.